Hello everyone. Today, hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 9. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus 5 is equal to 5 when x is equal to 0? Let us find. We will solve in this way. That is 2x square to x square plus x minus a is equal to 5. When x is equal to 0, right? If we put the value of x equal to 0, then we are getting, or we can write here as, or 2x square to the value of x is 0, that is 0 square plus 0 minus a is equal to 5, or 2 into 0, that is or 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5, or we can write or a is equal to minus 5. A is equal to minus 5. What is the value of a? Therefore, the value of a, therefore the value of a is equal to minus 5. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.